Yo, what's up, fools? Welcome back to the channel. And today, look a little ugly today, but anyways, we are going to be doing an oil change on my brother's Mustang. So my brother has my youngest, second youngest brother. He has a 2024 Coyote S650. Not gonna lie, these cars really grew on me. I didn't like them when they first came out. I didn't like the body style. I don't like that they're very heavy, but it's grown on me, I'm not gonna lie. And today we're gonna do an oil change on the ground like a man. We got the ramps set up, and all you're gonna need pretty much sockets, ratchet, oil filter wrench, or you could use the oil filter remover thingy. It's really all you need. Don't need a lot. Let's get to it. All right, guys. So now that we're down here, first thing you gotta do is you gotta take off this this little fucking piece of shit thingy looking. You don't have to take it down all the way. These little guys right here. I'm not gonna lie, I don't even think I got the right socket, but this 7mm seemed to work. The 8mm was a little bit too big. I'm pretty sure it's like one of those, pretty sure it's one of these, like a 1/4 inch socket, but this one worked pretty good. It was grabbing on these. So down here. Alright guys, so we're gonna come down here. We're gonna take this. This is like a little cover on the underside. I still got 2 bolts left on each end. They're 7mm. They're like these little 7mm bolts. Just a couple of them. I think it's like 10 of them. And the oil filter is actually right there. And I'm gonna take that guy out from over there and drain the oil. Long little tug and nose it. There you go, pause. So now we're gonna go over to this guy right here. But it's okay. This here. Okay. Use this. This thing is not that tight on there. It's able to sort of grab on. Half cockeyed. Sorry, I wasn't able to show that good, but I have it broken loose now, and let's get this light out of the way. And that's it, guys. But put a little bit of oil around, so that way it's around the little seal it comes with. I'm not a big fan of these like aftermarket oil filters, really. You know, there's nothing wrong with the OEM ones, you know. See that? Hand tight. Alright guys, so we're putting 9.5 quarts in here. I didn't want to record it because, I mean, I don't think anybody really wants to see me putting oil in the car. And if you really need me to see me put oil in the car to show you how to do an oil change, I think it's too far gone for you. I think you just need to take it somewhere else. Sorry, there's nothing else I can say. But anyways, yeah. Through here, 9.5 quarts. That's it. Oil change is done. Everything is good. Put the under shield back. It's on the ramp, so we're about to take it off. And I will show you how to restart the oil life in the vehicle as well. Okay, so you're gonna want to go over here to the settings, vehicle, oil life right here. It's just gonna, oh, I accidentally let go. See where it says right there, oil life. Press and hold to reset. Sorry, the flash is on. So we just hold it. Reset complete. And there we go. Oil life 100%. And that's how you do oil change. 2024 and up Mustang Gen 4 Coyote S650. And if you guys have any questions, you know, please put it down on the comments. I'll be glad to answer anything. You know, and I'll see you guys in the next video.